Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will learn how to create table using Apache PDFBox library. So in actual this library don't have any dedicated class to create PDF. So that's why we will create our own algorithm to create table. And in this video I will demonstrate how to do that. So first let's create some objects. So the first is integer object for the page height and another is for page width. So here page height, and here using this first page dot get trim box dot get height, and here you can see red line. So press alt enter, cast to int. Same for the page width. Get width semicolon and press alt enter, cast to int. Now we have page height and page width. Let's create content stream. So pd page content stream and content stream. First just delete this, and here okay. So now we have this content stream object, and using this we can just set the color. So because we are going to create table, so we need to set the stroke color. So content stream dot set stroking color, and here we will just use any predefined color. So color dot, let's use this dark gray. Okay, now line width, for example 1. Okay, now for the initial position of table we will create x and y object. So int init x, init x equal to 50. So we will start from 50 pixel left, and for the y use this page height minus 50. Okay, now the next thing we need to create two objects for the cell height and cell width. So again int for example 30, and okay, now create two objects for column count and row count. For example 5 for column count and 10 row. Okay, now you know that this table is a two-dimensional array, so we will create two for loop, and in between that we will create a rectangle. Okay, so first is Now here we need to create rectangle. So content stream dot add rect and init x comma init y, because we are moving top to bottom the y value will be decreased. So for the height minus cell height. Okay, now we have created a single cell, and when this loop will run it will create cell, and for that we need to just increase this x position, and for that init x plus equal to cell width. Okay, now for the second row, or you can say for the next row, we need to set the x position to the 50. So init x equal to 50. Okay, so this 50 is the same here, you can see, and then the height we need to minus for init y equal to minus equal to cell height. Okay, so each time this loop will finish, this code will set the x position to 50 and y position to the cell height. So it will come on the place where we need to start next row. Now we need to just make stroke, and for that content stream dot stroke. Okay, so it will automatically create a stroke using this color. Okay, now the next thing is content stream dot close. Okay, so let's try to run this and see the result. Here PDF created, and you can see the result. If you zoom you can see the lines. Okay, now we need to add some text here. So for example we will use the same text, but in your case you can just add text as per your requirement. So for the text we will just here use this content stream dot begin text content stream dot new line offset, because we need to add text between the cells. So init x plus 10. Okay, comma init y plus 10. Now we need to set the font. So content stream dot set font, and here pd type 1 dot times Roman comma font size, for example 18. Now here you need to add your desired text. So for my case content stream dot show text, and here hello. Okay, now content stream dot and text And now let's run this. Here PDF created, and this is the result. Okay, so this is the method that you can use to create tables. Okay, one thing you need to keep in mind the position of the text when you are using these methods. So let me explain something. Here the first is init x plus 10, and that is the position init x plus 10. And for the y, you can see init y minus cell height plus 10. So this is the y position minus cell height and then plus 10. Okay, so this is the way that you can use to create table in the Apache PDFBox library. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this, then please hit like button, subscribe this channel, and also share this video. See you in the next. Till then, bye.